Dietary guidelines are systematic recommendations designed to promote health and well-being through informed dietary choices. They provide evidence-based advice on what to eat and drink to meet nutrient needs, support growth, and prevent diet-related chronic diseases. Dietary guidelines are recommendations that provide advice on the types and amounts of foods to consume for overall health and well-being. These guidelines are often issued by national or international health organizations and are designed to promote a balanced diet, prevent chronic diseases, and encourage healthy lifestyles. Here are some general principles commonly found in dietary guidelines. Balanced diet. Variety. Consume a wide variety of foods to ensure you get all the essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, protein, fats, and carbohydrates. Proportionality. Balance calorie intake with physical activity to maintain a healthy weight. Moderation. Avoid overconsumption of certain food groups, such as added sugars, fats, and salt, which can lead to health issues like obesity, hypertension, and heart disease. Fruits and vegetables. Eat a variety of fruits and vegetables every day, aiming for at least 5 servings. They provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that support overall health. Protein sources. Include a variety of protein sources in the diet, such as lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Consider plant-based proteins, beans, lentils, for a healthier option. Whole grains. Choose whole grains, such as brown rice, whole wheat bread, oats, over refined grains. Whole grains contain more fiber and nutrients. Healthy fats. Focus on healthy fats, such as those from avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds, rather than saturated fats and trans fats, found in processed foods and fatty cuts of meat. Limit intake of added sugars and processed foods. Limit added sugars and salt. Limit consumption of foods and beverages with high amounts of added sugars, sugary drinks, candies, baked goods. Reduce salt intake to help manage blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Opt for herbs and spices to flavor food. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Hydration is essential for digestion, metabolism, and overall bodily functions. Portion control. Pay attention to portion sizes to avoid overeating. Eating smaller, more frequent meals can help manage hunger and promote better digestion. Physical activity. Incorporate regular physical activity into daily life. The combination of healthy eating and physical activity is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Limit alcohol consumption. If you consume alcohol, do so in moderation. This generally means up to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 drinks per day for men. Example of dietary guidelines by country. United States, dietary guidelines. Emphasize fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and dairy, or dairy alternatives. Limit added sugars, saturated fats, and sodium. Include physical activity in daily routines. World Health Organization, WHO. Promote a varied and balanced diet that includes whole foods and minimizes processed foods, particularly those high in salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Dietary guidelines for specific populations. Pregnant women, ensure adequate folic acid, iron, and calcium intake. Avoid certain fish and raw foods. Children, ensure adequate growth by offering nutrient-rich foods, emphasizing fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and proteins. Older adults, focus on maintaining bone health, calcium and vitamin D, muscle mass, protein, and managing chronic conditions through dietary choices. These guidelines serve as a foundation for making healthier food choices and maintaining long-term health. Always consider personal health conditions or consult a healthcare provider or dietitian for individualized advice.